In this video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel Xbox Live and Game Pass. If this video does help you out today, then please consider leaving a like and possibly subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser. I actually decided to do this tutorial just because it can be a bit tricky to find out how to do it. So just follow along with the step, and if you are using like a mobile device, what you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser and just follow along. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to xbox.com. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is sign into your account. So if you actually come to the top right hand corner, there'll be a sign in button up here, and then you can just go ahead and give that a click to sign in. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken back to the home screen. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is actually click onto your profile icon up in the top right hand corner. And then you want to come down and click onto my Microsoft account. So basically, because Xbox is part of Microsoft, everything like any services or subscriptions that you're subscribed to, it all appears in your actual Microsoft account, not via the Xbox website. So you see what's going to happen is when you come across to Microsoft account, you should have a subscriptions tab like this. You can see I've got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate there. If you don't see this, then what you can do, if you go to the blue bar at the top and you want to click onto services and subscriptions, and this is going to take you across to the services and subscriptions page. So once you come to the services and subscriptions page, you'll see a list of all subscriptions, including cancelled subscriptions. But you'll see when I actually click onto this manage tab, you can see this is active. But when I click on here, what's going to happen is you're going to get a drop down box and you're going to get a list of options. And what you can do, if you look at the very bottom, you can see it says cancel subscription. So all you would do is literally give that a click. If you've got the old version of Game Pass or just Xbox Live, it's the same process. You'll see it under this list of subscriptions, and you would click on to manage and then go into cancel subscription. I'm not going to go ahead and do that today because, as I say, this is an active subscription that I personally use. But obviously I wanted to make this tutorial to show you guys what to do, because it can be a bit tricky to find out how to cancel. And with that being said, that is the end of today's tutorial. So if this did help you out, then please drop a like and leave a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.